Michael read 5/8 of a book containing 424 pages. How many pages remain to be read? How many pages remained? So we have 424 pages. He read 5/8 of these pages. So we have to subtract from this whole book 5/8 of always means full multiplication of a book containing 424 pages. So from 424 pages we have to subtract 5/8 times 424. This is number of pages he read. When we subtract the whole number of pages, the number of pages he read, we will get the pages remain to be read. So this is equal. We have subtraction, multiplication. Of course, first we have to do multiplication. So 424 we copy minus, because we have fraction, so I will change 424 also to fraction. So 5/8 we copy times, I will add 424/1, and next this is equal. We copy 424 minus. We have multiplication of fractions. First we have to check if we can reduce something. We have 8, we reduce numerator with denominator, so we have 424 and 8. We can divide by 8. 424 divided by 8 is 53, so 8 divided by 8 is 1. So we have now to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 5 times 53 over 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal 424 minus 5 times 53. This is 265/1. So we have 424 minus 265 divided by 1 is 265. So this is equal 159. It means the remaining pages are 159. This is my solution.